From the dawn of civilization, humans have sought ways to project power over their enemies. The earliest forms of artillery emerged from this primal instinct, forever changing the face of warfare. These early siege weapons, rudimentary by today's standards, represented a significant technological leap. They allowed armies to attack enemy fortifications and cities from a distance, fundamentally altering the strategies of war. The development of artillery marked a turning point in military history. No longer were battles decided solely by hand-to-hand combat. The ability to strike from afar introduced a new element of strategy, requiring generals to consider range, trajectory, and the impact of concentrated firepower. The ancient Greeks and Romans were masters of siege warfare, employing sophisticated mechanical artillery pieces like ballistae and catapults. Ballistae, resembling giant crossbows, launched large bolts with incredible force and accuracy. Their immense power could pierce through enemy shields and armor, sowing terror and disruption among enemy ranks. Catapults, on the other hand, utilized a different principle, employing a weighted arm to hurl projectiles over great distances. These projectiles, often large stones or incendiary materials, could inflict devastating damage upon enemy fortifications and personnel. The precision engineering and ingenuity of these ancient siege weapons are a testament to the human capacity for innovation, even in the pursuit of war. The invention of gunpowder in China during the 9th century AD marked a seismic shift in the history of artillery and warfare itself. This potent chemical mixture, when ignited, released a tremendous amount of energy, propelling projectiles with unprecedented force and range. The earliest gunpowder weapons were simple in design, often bamboo tubes filled with gunpowder and projectiles. However, the potential of this new technology was immediately recognized. Over time, the Chinese developed increasingly sophisticated gunpowder weapons, including rockets, cannons, and hand cannons, laying the foundation for the modern era of artillery. Section 4. Cannons and mortars shaping European battlefields. The knowledge of gunpowder eventually spread westward, reaching Europe by the 13th century. European artisans and engineers, quick to grasp the potential of this revolutionary technology, began developing their own gunpowder weapons. Cannons, capable of launching heavy iron balls with immense destructive power, emerged as the preeminent artillery piece on the European battlefield. Mortars, firing explosive shells at high angles, provided a valuable complement to cannons, particularly in siege warfare. These fearsome weapons proved instrumental in transforming medieval warfare, rendering traditional fortifications increasingly obsolete. Section 5. Napoleon's thunder artillery dominance in the 19th century. The Napoleonic Wars of the late 18th and early 19th centuries witnessed a dramatic increase in the scale and sophistication of artillery. Napoleon Bonaparte, a master tactician, recognized the decisive role artillery could play on the battlefield. He employed massed artillery batteries with devastating effect, shattering enemy formations and demoralizing their ranks. The development of standardized artillery pieces, improved manufacturing techniques, and innovative tactics cemented artillery's reputation as the king of battle. Its dominance continued throughout the 19th century, playing a pivotal role in major conflicts such as the American Civil War and the Franco-Prussian War. Section 6. Modern artillery from World Wars to the 21st century. The 20th century witnessed an unprecedented escalation in the destructive power of artillery. The two world wars showcased the horrific capabilities of modern artillery, with millions of shells raining down upon battlefields, reshaping the landscape and inflicting unimaginable casualties. New technologies such as rifled barrels for increased accuracy and range, as well as self-propelled artillery, emerged during this period. Today, artillery remains an indispensable component of modern militaries worldwide. Advances in guidance systems, rocket artillery, and autonomous systems have further extended the reach and precision of artillery. From pinpoint strikes on high-value targets to long-range bombardment, modern artillery continues to shape the battlefields of the 21st century, a testament to its enduring legacy as a decisive force in warfare.